Hello friends, welcome to Glorious Nature. Today I am going to share about lucky bamboo plant. From that name, we can tell like that it is a lucky. Some people will telling like this plant will bring money, but actually I don't know about that. But I know one thing, it is a good air purifying plant, and also it importing from China and Thailand. Then this plant different shapes are available. Based on that, it name also there. So you can see now I have that spiral type. You can see this one is called a spiral type, and this one layer type. I have two layer plant. So three layer also available, four layer available in market, but I have only two layer. You can see two layers, small and big. Then you can see one more here with many leaves. Then here start that nodes going to open for leaf, so it waiting. And you can see here also I made in soil also. I think you cannot see soil because I decorated with stone. Then this plant we can based on that care, this plant we can keeping in water and also soil. So if we are keeping water, we have to change that water every 7 to 10 days. It helps to prevent the any fungal infection, the spreading of any fungal infection. That fungal infection we can see by that leaves. Sometimes that leaf become yellow and that stem become yellow due to that fungal infection. That's why I suggest you to change that water. And also when we are changing that water, we have to clean that jar also, because otherwise that infection will remaining in that jar. You can see, I will show one example. You can see that yellow stem. This one due to that fungal infection. That's why I suggest you to change that water. Then I told you we can keeping in soil also. When we are keeping in soil, we have to select that soil, mean that 80% of cocoa peat and 20% of compost, because 80% of cocoa peat it will help to maintain that moist. That's why I suggest you have to take that 80% cocoa peat. And you can see now you cannot see, I think, because I already apply many stones. So based on that soil dryness, if that's you have to touch with finger that soil. If it dry, we have to pour water. Otherwise, no need to apply water. And next, many people are asking, we can use that tap water for that bamboo plant, or we want to putting in only canned water. But I can suggest you that we can use that tap water. But tap water have more chlorine content. That's why we have to leave that water overnight. Then next day we can use for that bamboo plant, so that chlorine content will reduce. Then next going to about that light. So this bamboo, if we are keeping in bamboo plant in indoor, we have to provide that indirect sunlight. I think medium sunlight we have to provide. That one will help to growth of that plant. And also that cool, we have to maintain our room temperature below that 30 degree. And also we can keep it in outside, but outside temperature need to keep, I think, below that 30 degree. Otherwise it will not survive in outside. Then I will show that how to that propagation. Propagation is very easy. We can cut the stem and we can putting in water. That very easy propagation of this plant. So I will show how to propagate. So I have actually this stem like this only. This one in up and this part in down. So I already cut it. You can see actually this part in like that. So this area I already cut and seal it with wax. I will show how to seal that water. How to wax with, how to seal with wax. I will show you. Then this area no need because it yellow part. So if you are keeping in water again, that water become infected. So I don't want to this one. So I keeping in one side. Then I will show how to cut that stem. So when we are cutting, do not cut like on that circle, because from that circle only node. This circle is called node. Okay, from that node only it will come. New branch will come. You can see that from that circle only that new nodes came. New branch are started to come. So I taken this one and I will cut between that two circle. Between two circle only I want to cut. So when we are cutting that, when we are using that scissor, we have to wipe with any Dettol solution, because to prevent any fungal infection. Because if we using this scissor for other plant also, may chance to get any infection from that other plant if it is there. So we have to wipe with Dettol this scissor. Then we cut it between that two circles. I think I'm not that much healthy to cut this bamboo because that much hard. Yeah, okay. So I cut it this stem. You can see two parts, okay? So you can see here roots are coming. So we can just putting in water. So new branch will come from this knot, from this circle, okay? Before keeping in water, we have to seal this area with wax, okay? So I will show you how to seal. So I make ready candle here. So I making wax. So this root area no need to wax because we are keeping in water. So other area, I just dipping in that wax. So it's sealed. This sealing is necessary for to prevent the water loss. Otherwise water loss will come. That's why we have to seal properly. And also we can prevent that vertical growth. So and it promote that side growth. I mean like this side growth. Okay. Not vertical growth. This all plant, all stick already sealed one. It imported from China or Thailand like this with sealing. So when we are propagating, we have to seal that cutting area and keeping in water. Then root will already root, but many root will come. Then it will come new plant. Then this one also I want to explain. Actually, this stick like this only, like this stick only. So this area mean down that down area already yellow. So I just cut it that area and I putting in water. Then after root came, I shifted to soil. That is very good for growing. So after root come only, we want to shift it to soil. Then you can, I will show that layer bamboo. Very beautiful bamboo, okay. We can give like gift also. I will show that root. Yeah. This much roots are there. From the small bamboos, this much root. I think many stems are there. Then you can see in this pouring water, okay. So when that water become less, we have to add water. This one 2 layer small and this one also 2 layer big. And two common problems are that leaves become yellow. I told already leaves become yellow and stems also become yellow like this due to that fungal infection. That's why I suggest you have to change that water. And also other problem, we can see that leaf become, the tip of that leaf become brown or black because of in this humidity. That's why we can spray water on leaf and also make our room temperature within below that 30 degree. I mean very cool your room. That it will help to prevent that dryness. I think this much all about that bamboo plant care. So I think I share whatever I know. If you know any more details, please share with me. If you have any comments or any question, you can ask with me. Thank you friends. Please share my channel and subscribe. Thank you.